Hello viewers, once again welcome back to our guitar trainer channel. Today's lesson we are going to learn how to read this kind of short note values with the help of fruit names. See this is a simple 4-bar melody only 4 bars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 simple notes are given. This is these notes are taken from the first and second strings only. C, D, C, G, only the first string and second string notes, but it looks little complicated because of this short note values. I'm going to make it easy how to read these note values and play it easily. This lesson will help you not only to understand and play the note values, but also it will help you for playing strumming also, guitar strumming also. It will be helpful. Our next lesson is going to be the guitar strumming patterns. That's why I kept this lesson in this place. First I'll explain how these each beat is splitted as. Here it is splitted as 2 parts, it is splitted as 3 parts, this beat is splitted as 4 parts. I'll explain it to you in the another screen. So we'll have a revision on this note values for beginners and for some people who are not still thorough with this note values. I'll explain it one more time. So this is a crotchet beat. Crotchet is for one count, one beat, crotchet. So if you split a crotchet into 2 parts, if you are splitting a crotchet beat into 2 equal halves, you will be getting 2 quavers. If you write a single quaver, it will look like this, but in this lesson we are going to do 2 quavers together. So if you split a crotchet into 2 equal parts, you will get 2 quavers. So within one beat you have to play 2 notes. And then this is triplet. Within one beat you have to play 3 notes. So one crotchet beat is splitted as 3 parts. Here it is getting splitted as 2 parts. Here it is getting splitted as 3 parts. For that they will use the same quaver symbol, but they will mark 3 on the top. If this number 3 is not there, it will be treated as 3 quavers. So compulsory the number 3 will be there on the top. So the next value is semiquaver. If you split a crotchet beat into 4 equal parts, you will get semiquavers. For semiquavers, you can see 2 lines. These lines are called as beam lines. Joining 2 quavers. Instead of saying joining, we call it as beaming quavers. So this is a beam line. 2 quavers, you have 1 beam line. For 4 semiquavers, you will have 2 beam lines. So all are equal to 1 crotchet beat only. So crotchet is equal to 1 beat, 1 count or 1 beat. 2 quavers is equal to also 1 crotchet beat. 3 quaver triplets is equal to 1 crotchet beat. 4 semiquavers is equal to 1 crotchet beat. So for 1 crotchet beat, we'll just count like number 1. If you are having 2 quavers, we'll count it like within that beat you have to pronounce 1N. Let's think all the values are coming on beat number 1. Okay, so 1N. So for triplets, we'll count like 1 triplet. These 3 words you have to pronounce in one single beat. 1 triplet, 1 triplet, like that. So here for semiquavers, we'll be pronouncing it like 1 E and A. Got it? So this will be a crotchet. This is 2 quavers, 1 and here quaver, triplet, 1 triplet, 1 triplet. Within one beat you have to pronounce 1 triplet. here semiquavers, 1 E and so how to pronounce 1 E and like that. Within a beat you have to pronounce. So this will be easy for, if you understand, this will be easy for few people who are not understanding or still they feel uncomfortable. Means now we are going to apply the new technique. We are going to use the fruit name. So whenever you get a crotchet beat, just think the fruit name peach. Okay, peach. For 1, what you are going to play? Peach. Think like that. And then for quavers, you think the fruit mango. Here how this helps means you have to use the syllables. Mango, the word mango has 2 syllables. Mango, mango. So for 1 crotchet beat you are telling peach. For 2 quavers, mango. How it will sound? Ta, mango. And for triplets, use the fruit name banana. It has 3 syllables. Banana. So how it will sound? 1 triplet, banana. 1 triplet, banana. Like that you can match. So here for semiquavers, we are going to use the fruit name watermelon. Wa is a syllable, t is a syllable, okay, watermelon. You should not pronounce it slowly. Within that beat you have to pronounce. So peach, mango, banana, watermelon. 1 and 1 triplet, 1 E N. 1 and 1 triplet, 1 E N. Peach, mango, banana, watermelon. Peach, mango, banana, watermelon. So whenever you see a crotchet beat, think the fruit name peach. How it will sound? Peach. So if you see 2 quavers in your song, just remember the fruit name mango. How it will sound? Mango, mango. And then that should be played within a beat. If you see any triplets only people will feel little hard to play. So banana, banana. And then here for semiquavers, just think the fruit name watermelon, watermelon, ta 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 ta. And then these numbers you can substitute with the beat on which count the note value is coming. If it is coming on the first beat, you are going to count it as 1. If it is coming on the second beat, you have to count like 2. And then second beat is getting splitted as 2 quavers, means you have to count it as 2n. Second beat is getting splitted as 3 parts, means you have to count 2 triplet. And then second beat is getting splitted as 4 parts, means 2 E and N. Like that, according to the beat number, you have to substitute the first number. 1, 2 and 3 triplet, 4 E and N. 1, 2 and 3 triplet, 4 E and N. So according to the beat number, you can substitute this number. Now we'll go to the melody and we'll apply this 2 methods and we'll see which one is easy for you. That method you can follow. Now you would have understood how to count the beats if they are getting splitted. Now let's count and check this melody. So the time signature is 4/4. I am going to count the whole melody now. So it will be counted like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 triplet, 4, 1, 2 and 3 E and 4, 1, 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 and 3 triplet 4. So you understood how to count it with numbers. Now we are going to apply the main part, the fruit names. 1, 2, 3, 4. Peach, mango, banana, peach, peach, mango, watermelon, peach, peach, mango, watermelon, 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 mango, banana, peach. So now this is easy to understand and count. So whenever you see a crotchet bead, you just think the fruit name peach, peach. If you see 2 quavers, you think the fruit name mango, mango. And then if you see a triplet, just think the fruit name banana, banana. And then peach. For 4 semiquavers, you think the fruit name watermelon. Now we will play and see how this melody sounds. Okay, I am going to use the metronome now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we played this melody in the guitar. For better understanding, I have fed this music in a software and I have attached a small diagram of keyboard where you will get a indication of the keys, so that it will be useful for keyboard players also. Come, let's see that video also. So with the help of this lesson, you can understand, play different strumming patterns which we are going to take in the next class. So I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. We'll meet in the next class with the new topic. Until then, bye.